Welcome to Outside Your Zone. A recent Arctic blast had brought temperatures down to minus 10 degrees Celsius, instantly covering Cumbria in a layer of snow. So we wanted to take you with us to see a sub-zero sunset from the top of Blencathra. To save time on the ascent, we scrambled up the steep side of the mountain to join the path further up.
So we've probably just done what we reckon to be the steepest bit of Blencathra. I'm out in here trainers like a dumb arse. Got me on backpack on, a bit slipping up, but it's actually getting a lot easier now as it starts to level out. So probably got about an hour to get up there now for the sunset. Let's go.
A local passed us on his way down, telling us to not go any further. We ignored his advice because we couldn't miss the opportunity to see the winter sunset from the top of a mountain. Thinking the worst was over, we trudged on. Little did we know we would encounter a wild, abominable snow dog. After failing to catch the dog with a snowball, we hastily ran away to avoid further harm. If only there were some walking boots in B&M, I could have escaped faster.
Outside your zone!
As I walked along the ridgeline, I started to see Blencathra as our own little English Everest.
Yeah.
We hadn't quite reached the highest peak yet, but the views were still amazing. It wasn't long now until we get to see the sunset we had come for. Standing on the edge, knowing that there was a 900-metre drop below me, was nerve-wracking and made me feel outside my zone in a way I have never experienced before.
There's a sheer drop like
As the golden hour approached, we both knew that we had once again smashed it in the name of OYZ.
Raven.
Finally made it to the top, and this is what I've come for, the best views in the Lake District. Like crazy that.
Snow particles drifting off the mountain reflected a rainbow of sunlight back at us, revealing shades of colour I had never seen before.
What is the best adventure snack? I'm telling you now, Nature Valley! It's nearly out of the Nature Valley protein.
The scenery did not let us down, creating the most spectacular sunset I have seen in a long, long time.
Get up!
Seeing the panoramic view of black and white felt like we had time travelled to 1943 before colour was invented.
This appears to be a ski pass. I've just found it on the ground. Don't know if there's any ski lifts around here, like maybe someone just accidentally dropped it, but leave no trace. And when you're up there, remember to, if you find a litter, bring it home with you. Be a good person, like Look how cold it is. Crikey, eh? Well, that right there is the Irish Sea, and you can see our two favourite places in the world. We've got the Isle of Wight on and the Isle of Man. Yes!
We took our time on the way down to enjoy the view and soak in the scenery of this wonderful winter evening.
Views like this remind us that we are lucky to be alive and to live in such a beautiful place. See Thermia right there, and then you've got Derwent right there. Unbelievable. And look at the sun setting behind me. We got up there before the sun set, so probably pretty perfect timing. Slide for the boys at Tokyo Drift. Get up, that view is unreal. So we've done a dork. I'm going the wrong way, but we'll get back to the route. We know where it is, so we'll get back to it. Thought we'd done a Doric. Turns out we did a mid-toric. We did an absolute shortcut right back to the path. Beaks up, bro. Like, look at what we've just come down as well. Like, with the first step on that, like.
It was too windy to film at the top without our designated droner, so I hope these shots provide you with some scale of this truly magnificent mountain.
Right, so we just made it back. As you can see, it's dark. Just in the nick of time, like literally minutes to spare. I reckon if we'd not taken the shortcut, we wouldn't have made it here in time, so glad to be back before it's dark. Get home and get some scran. Mission complete.
We really hope you enjoyed the first vid of this brand new season, and we have some really exciting news to share with you all.
We've just released our first merch drop. Brand new vinyl OIZ stickers of high quality.
If you'd like to support the channel, head over to our Instagram or Facebook and drop us a DM with your order.
We are holding a competition. To get involved, stick the OIZ logo in the sickest place, tag us, and we will choose the winner.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
OIZ!